We are leaving today this area around Stokksnes, and we're gonna start our southern region stint. We're gonna head to Jökulsárlón Glacier. It's beautiful here, but we had it really windy. I mean, there's gusts of wind between 30 to 50 miles an hour. We went to have dinner last night at Hoffen, and when we were driving back at night, wow, I mean, the wind was just howling. And right now it's howling. I mean, you can probably hear it on the audio. Hopefully the south coast is not as windy today. Supposedly the wind is gonna die off a little bit towards the middle of the days. But the day is beautiful. I mean, at least it's sunny out here. So there's a few clouds. So yeah, we're on our way to Jökulsárlón. Margarita, excited to see the glacier?
Yeah.
All right.
We are quickly.
Yeah, you're gonna see the floating icebergs all over the lagoon. All right, let's go. The girls decided to stay on the car, so I'm hiking it by myself. All right, we're heading into the canyon. So, go. Check out the view of the glacier from here. That's one of the glaciers up here. The views just keep getting better and better, so we'll keep climbing. The trail is pretty well marked. It's got little yellow markers all over. But it's easy to follow. It's a rocky trail with some roots, so not a hard trail. The view is amazing. I mean, look at the canyon. Let's keep going. 30 minutes into the hike. So let's go. This is incredible. What a view. I'll show you around. And that's where we're headed. I got some good shots. Really enjoyed it. See you in the car with the girls. We're heading to that glacier right there. Yep, that's where we're going. From Svinefell's Jökull Glacier, we continued our way toward the town of Vik, passing along the way Lomaknu per mountain. This is the Seljalandsfoss horizons. This is the apartment we got. Very nice because we are 2 minutes away from Seljalandsfoss, and then we are like 10 to 15 minutes away from Skogfoss. Tomorrow we're driving 7 hours total, so it's gonna be a long day. We're gonna try to go to a little bit of the Highlands, and then we're heading towards Reykjavik, and we have a dinner surprise for our guest trip member this time around. Stoked about tomorrow, even though it's our last full day here in Iceland. It's been an awesome trip. We've had a great time. Iceland has shown us its full weather spectrum. So looking forward to tomorrow, and then the day after tomorrow in Reykjavik, and then back home. Yeah, that's where we're heading, right behind it. Yeah, it's a beauty. Yeah, look at Huli. It's all the way over there. She's in red. Gives you the scale and magnitude of this cave. Photo bomb! Photo bomb! Oh my god, the energy here is amazing. I would stay here the whole day and just sit here and listen to the waterfall roar. We're here in Stokksnes. This is one of our favorite waterfalls. We left it for the end to be one of the last waterfalls we'll see in the trip, just because it's, again, one of our favorite waterfalls in Iceland. And from here, we're going to do a couple of shots, and then we're going to start heading towards Reykjavik. We're going to try to do a little bit of the Highlands, and then we're going to go have dinner at a Viking restaurant, and then we head for the last night in Reykjavik before leaving tomorrow. So we were doing the shoot here, and what were you guys doing? Moving all over the place. They were like, I was saying, move right, move right. No, they would move left. I'm like, no, move left, move left. No, they would move right. It's like, come on. Yeah, no, it was hard because it's really far. Like, look how tiny the people look over there. That's how tiny I look from here. So yeah, they couldn't see me. So yeah, it's very hard. We would need like a walkie-talkie to be able to like get them in position for the shot. But I think I got good shots. So. Yeah, we made it. Woohoo! Stokksnes. What do you think of Stokksnes?
Oh my god. Speechless.
Did you get all the way to the edge?
Oh, obviously.
There you go. There you go. Margarita being Margarita. That's awesome. All right, we're gonna get some hot cocoa and then we're gonna on our way because we gotta roll today. A lot of hours driving.
Bye, Stokksnes.
To the top of a crater. It has a lake, and we'll see how it looks. Wow! Oh my god, this is so pretty. Yeah, it's a hike to get up here, but the view is totally amazing. Look at the textures. Look at those reds, probably iron from the volcano. All the moss growing there, and the contrasts are amazing. What happens when you go to the Highlands of Iceland. Guys, so we're about to leave the Highlands. It's been quite the weather because it changes a lot. So the rain comes in and goes out, and that's Stutur crater right there. Yeah, so this is the Viking Hall where we're gonna be eating dinner tonight. Yeah, this place is amazing. Ingólfsskáli is a Viking restaurant where heritage and tradition come together to take you to a simpler time where nature provided the only ingredients. It gives you the chance to experience the feasts of the Vikings with a contemporary touch. Quench your thirst by drinking through a horn, eat with cutlery forged in fire, and become strengthened by the local ingredients that will leave you feeling like a true Viking. Margarita. Margarita, what is it? Is it too heavy?
Re heavy, marica.